We can call this road the road to bliss, heaven, Nilgiri mountains, blue mountains, everything. Early morning bliss. This is what it is. We are parked. Look at this place around me. That is the speciality of the forest. Covered by hills all through. Lovely place, solid breeze, nice guest house in between the forest, or in the middle of nowhere is how you can say it. Hoping for a leopard, let's see, or a tiger. It's all a waiting game. Blue mountains in the background. These are actually the foothills of the Nilgiri mountains, or the Blue Mountains as it's called. Lovely sight, lovely. So back to what we came here for. There we can see Pinto trying to track the leopard which they saw yesterday. The leopard actually was there, near his farm, close to his village, up above those hills. See, I just zoomed in. It was sighted there. So we are hoping that we can see it from this distance. Quite far, but seeing it or getting a glimpse of it is enough. Getting a glimpse of a wild animal is so rare. Very windy, so I have cancelled the wind noise. And just hope and wish that we get a leopard. Taking a drive through the Bandipur reserve, entering the gate. The leopard might come in late, so we'll just wait for it, early 7:30 in the morning. Lovely greenery, the rains have helped. I've covered this extensively in all my other Bandipur videos. So just giving a glimpse of today's climate, Clear blue skies, the greenery looks real awesome actually. There they are, the entrance to Bandipur. Lovely deer, or chital is how it's called. A helicopter above, feeble one. I guess the deers are maintaining a social distance walk, almost say 3 meters apart. We do it or not, they are doing it. Yeah, this corona thing, what to say? They're almost finishing the walk. It's a lovely sight in the morning. So sit back, relax, enjoy this as we drive along. Oh, a lovely peahen. Peacocks are the one with the feathers. Peahens are this. See, there are chicks there. 1, 2, 3. The third one is not in the frame, but there are 3. A very rare sight, with chicks to see them. Wow! Long time seeing elephants, and that too in herds. Hope we get to watch them for some time. Lovely elephants, I think 2-3 families are there, with the baby elephants also. Just relax, enjoy, just watch them. If you're on a full screen, watching this far better. But otherwise also, elephants are elephants, Lovely to watch. Huge, what they call the gentle giants. Numbers are increasing now. The census guys that were doing census, they were talking to us. Numbers are slowly increasing again, thanks to the rains, the more water, greenery. This will keep the elephant numbers in increasing order. It's very important, all animals remain in a certain number. See what a majestic sight that is. The kid leading the way, the mother following the kid. No, the mother won't run now. That won't happen. It's lovely to watch elephant babies actually. So playful, so kiddish. They roll around, they run around. Look at that running. And elephants are a family. You saw that elephant also protecting the kid. This elephant is also protecting. Here you see two of them. One is in between the two big elephants, the front. Second one behind. And the third one, the overall protector, lastly coming in. That's called family. And the elephants are very famous for this. They get aggressive when the kids are around and somebody honks on the road or somebody does some disturbance. Is when they get aggressive. But we are in a safe distance, so no aggression, nothing happening today. Hopefully. It's a majestic sight just to sit and watch these elephants. Sit back, relax. What else? The magic of the jungle is what I would say. There's some action going to happen now. See that? A friendly kick with the trunk. And now see the protesting kid. Just like human families, a protesting kid. Why did he hit me kinds? Full love again. Trying to eat from the mother's mouth. Oh God. So these are the what do you call, the loveliness of the forest, or the greatness of the forest, or the pleasures of the forest. These doesn't happen in zoos where it's captive and all that. It's a natural environment. You see them naturally do whatever they want. It's that awesome that you never get bored or you never feel like walking out of the place. Of course, you need good light for good photography and all that. But just the sheer pleasure of sitting, waiting, watching wildlife, that is something else. Of course, you need to have the interest about wildlife. If you are interested in nature and wildlife, these kind of sights you can do it the whole day. Just put a chair and watch it for the whole day. As we go along, hopefully some other animal. Oh, there are another two elephants, and that is a gaur, Indian bison, crossing the road. Oh, there are two more. Okay. Lovely. See, we have to maintain a safe distance so that they feel safe, we feel safe. Don't disturb them. These are the basics of wildlife viewing or things like that. So we maintain that distance. Wow, an elephant also on the opposite side. So all these gaur have crossed the side. Oh, big family kind of thing. So with that, I think we'll end this video also. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep it updated about more videos whenever we visit places. Please do subscribe, please do share, please do press the bell icon, and any feedbacks, do let me know in the comments. And it's all about improvement. So I'll try to put in some stuff, or delete some stuff next time when I do it. But overall, thanks for watching.